Yeah, at nandito tayo ngayon 'no, kasi parang maraming mga bothered energies. Talaga ba ngayong Biyernes Santo, nakikita natin 'no, na parang may mga bothered energies. That's why nagagawa tayo 'no, ng reading, nabubulol, ngayon. So yeah, however these energies are, yeah, I'm hearing that song. Hindi alam kung paano, you know. So if I'm not mistaken, no, that song na is yung Misteryoso. Ayan, no? So whatever the case may be, maybe this person here finds it isame or strange, no? Parang kakaiba. Or maybe this person here finds you misteryosa or misteryosa. Let's see. Someone's bothered because of you. Nang dahil sa'yo at dinadami nyo na naman ako dito. Ano ba yan? So let us see, we have here this Knight of Swords, Five of Wands, Eight of Swords, Tower. Mabilis mong napaibig tong tao na to, bigla kang dumating sa buhay niya at parang mga ilang saglit na panahon lang na in love na siya sa'yo. That's what this person here ay telling me. Bottom of the deck. Yeah, look at that. This person here ay Four of Cups energy. I'm gonna tell it to you later. So, bago natin, no, pag-usapan ito, bati muna natin everybody. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. At yung Instant Buyers, thank you po sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa alam, may pa tayo other channel, link down below sa ating description box. If you're interested, just click that link para mapunta kayo there araw-araw. Upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs here. Tingnan natin gender dito ha. So, by lalaki, LGBT, everybody, welcome. Possible din mag-switch ang roles because this is general reading and at the end of the day, everybody, you have your free will with you. Like, free mo yung gamitin anytime, anywhere. So, this person here, bigla kang dumating daw sa kanya ritong life, no? At bigla rin siya ritong naging masaya. Yung malungkot niya rito, no, na world ay biglang naging masaya because of you. Okay? You light up, no? His or her life, no? This person here loves watching you, your every move. Your voice is like a tender or sweet sound sa kanyang ears. This person here could be hearing your voice most of the times. Maybe this person here is someone nearby or around you. Okay, so this person waiting here is someone who knows you. Not too much because you're too private with your life. Maybe there are things na alam niya lang about you. But whoever this energy is, this person here, nagugulan siya rito kasi parang nag-try na siya rito mag-pull back or mag-pull out ng energy niya sa'yo. Meaning to say, parang nag-try na siya rito, no, na mag-move on na lang, no? Like, let's say, this is a new person, ha? Hindi mo siya rito naging karelasyon, no? Pero gusto ka niya rito maging ka-in relationship. But this person here did step back from you because I do see that this person here, no, hindi naman sa naging tired siya rito, no, pero parang may energy siya na hindi mo siya rito napapansin. Magkaiba yung hindi napapansin sa hindi pinapansin, kasi yung hindi pinapansin, ibig sabihin sinasadya. Yung hindi naman napapansin, ibig sabihin, pwedeng hindi mo siya kilala, which is high energy right in here. So, whatever this energy is, no, mabilis siya nagkagusto sa'yo, na parang it only took pwedeng days lang na in love na siya dito sa'yo. No? At mas nai-in love pa siya sa'yo each and every day. No? But this person here tend to step back, hold back dito yung energy niya rito sa inyo. No? Eh nakikita ko rito no, na nahihirapan siya doon kasi parang bumabalik na naman ulit siya. You know? Knight of Swords energy. Parang gusto ka na naman niya ulit rito 'no, na gusto niya ulit na mag-try 'no, na na kayo or magpapansin dito sa inyo 'no. Though kinakalmahan niya lang 'no, pero parang hindi siya kalma, bothered siya, eh, 'no. So, ever this energy is na maybe this person here knows little about your background, like yung mga details about you. Maybe this person here do not even know your complete name. This person here do not even know your exact date of birth. Okay, that's what I'm picking up. No? But this person here knows, okay, yung iyo rito, no, na itsura, your voice, okay, your looks, that's what I'm seeing. No? So, Miss Yan, this person here na-fall siya sa aking looks. Ah, hindi naman talaga as in sa looks mo, parang it's attire. Yung looks mo kasi nagma-match sa ugali mo. Okay? So, this person here sees how beautiful you are or how handsome you are and nagre-reflect yun sa pagkatao mo. So, it's like perfect. Now, this person is seeing you as someone who's perfect, no? But this person right in here ay someone rin thinking na, uh, what's this? Hindi siya rito parang nababagay sa'yo, or maybe this person here sees you as someone on top, or someone na hindi siya rito magugustuhan. It could be. But this person here could be having struggle, the Eight of Swords, no, sa communication. Parang gusto niya makapag-communicate sa'yo, pero how? How is it possible to connect to someone like you? Like this person here, I don't know I don't know, but this person here ay watching you all the time. So, baka nagsa-struggle siya kung katrabaho mo siya because yung iba, nilambas dito 'no, na puwedeng related rito sa social or circle of friends, pero puwede rin kasi na connections ito with other people, so puwede rin pasok dito yung social media. So baka dun ka niya nakikita and especially if you have platforms like social media platforms, okay? You could be someone here na baka siya sa mga follower mo 'no, silent follower or baka naman 'no na yeah, like social, 'no? And nakikita ko rito they are all I don't know who you are, pero ang dami mo ritong admirers 'no, hindi mo alam I'm seeing 1, 2 wow! 'Di ba? Alam mo, I'm seeing a lot of admirers mo dito. I don't know who you are, pero nakakita ko dito 'no ng more than 100. Maybe you have social media platforms. Maybe this is yeah. Ito yung mga tao na maaaring nagla-like sa mga post mo, sa mga what's this, status mo, captions, okay? Reels if you have those, okay? Yeah, could be one of your followers right in here, no? Ang dami nagkakagusto sa'yo dito, babe. Parang ikaw na lang bahala mamili rito, no? But you're very private and you are someone na meron ditong standard and you're keeping it private, especially when it comes to your love life, okay? Others of you, I did understand because yung iba dito nakita ko na you are in a happy marriage with the love of your life, yeah, okay? Others naman dito, you're just enjoying here yourself, like you're not really into relationship ngayon, no? But you're just happy with yourself, okay? Right now. That's the energy that I'm vibing from you guys. But others of you, you have love life, okay? And you just maintain, no, private dito, no, sa love life mo, okay? And nakita ko dito, no, para dun sa mga may asawa na, your partner here, no, ay nakikita ko dito na sobrang mahal kayo. Kaya yung energy ninyo, mga mahal, no, kung mahal na mahal ninyo yung partner ninyo, especially if that is your husband, pero iba baka long time boyfriend mo na ito or long time girlfriend, no, hindi mo masukat yung pagmamahal mo para dun sa asawa mo or sa boyfriend, girlfriend mo, no? Pero, mas hindi mo kayang sukatin yung pagmamahal ng asawa mo sa'yo. Oh, yeah, you're right. Your person right in here, your husband right in here loves you so much. Ikaw nga, hindi mo na masukat yung pagmamahal mo sa kanya, mas lalong hindi mo masukat pa yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo. Like, yeah, you're definitely in a beautiful relationship. Maybe that's why hindi mo napapansin yung mga admirers. Ang dami nakakagusto sa'yo. Nagugulat ako dito, you know. So whatever the case may be, multiple energies wants to get to know you, wants to be friends, wants to be close to you. And others nasasaktan kasi talagang nakaka-develop sila ng feelings sa'yo, especially this energies na hagip natin tonight. Na nasasaktan sila so hindi mo sila napapansin. Yes. But I clearly understand why. Pero, you're really clueless, ha? You're really clueless. Okay? That you look so drop dead gorgeous. Like, what? No, parang, ikaw to na dumadaan kay everyday sa sila, men. But, for you, it's like normal. It's okay. Ito na yung talaga itsura ko na talaga to. Whatever. But you're not someone na, ay, ganda-ganda ka talaga. Ang gwapo-gwapo ka talaga. Yan, no? Pero a lot of you, many people are going crazy because of your looks. You look so natural. Others, they love your nose right in here. I don't know who I'm talking about, but they also love here your hair. It matches your facial features here. Your nose. They love here your nose. Others could be thinking that you're from a foreign land. Yeah. Okay, no? So, nakita natin dito. So, let's go back, no? Into these energies now. Yung bothered dito because of you. Para sa Four of Cups energy sa bottom of the deck, this person here ay thinking dito, no? That it's strange kasi parang trinay niya na rito na mag-move on sa'yo pero bumabalik at bumabalik pa rin siya sa pagkagusto sa'yo. In love pa rin talaga siya sa'yo rito, no? At ito ay mas lumalala. Okay? Parang this person is loving you more every day. Okay? And it's strange kasi he or she is keep loving you, no? Pero hindi niya ito may express talaga sa'yo. So, this person here ay trying so hard but it looks like iniisip niya rito kung ititigil niya na ba ito. Pero tinigil niya ni. Bumabalik lang siya ulit sa pagkagusto niya rito sa inyo kasi hindi naman talaga siya nawala sa pagkagusto sa inyo. Actually, mas tumibay pa nga yung pagkagusto niya sa inyo at mas na-develop pa ito into feelings. Yes. Okay? But yeah, I clearly see that you're really unaware, like 101% of these people, especially of this energy specifically that we've received ngayon. And also, I do see no, that you are someone here no, na having a beautiful life, peaceful life, okay? And I also see that you're happy with your life. So yeah, if these people here follows you, guys, these people here, kung paano ka nila nakikita, no, yun din yung life mo talaga. It's the total reflection of your life. Yeah. So you're clearly happy with your life, contented, satisfied, like you're grateful for your blessings every day. That's what I'm saying. But a lot of people here, no, feeling lost. No, alam mo, I remember, no, nung nag-aaral kami, no, you know, si, tawag na to, sa way back, no, sa Greek, yan, no, meron dun si Helen, Helen of Troy, no. So, dahil kay Helen, sa ganda niya, no, kaakit-akit, nagkaroon tuloy ng Trojan War. Ang daming namatay dun sa Trojan War na yun dahil sa ganda ni Helen, no? Pero yan, no? Hindi ko sinasabing maraming magkakamatayan dito because of your ganda right in here, no? Pero, that's the vibe. Okay? You appear here as someone who is like Helen of Troy. Okay? So, yeah, for the initials rating here, yes, we have M, R, A, N, P, E, B, O, J, C. I don't know if that's G or number 9, no? Kasi hindi naman siya parang pa-cursive, okay? Pero parang mukha pa rin siyang G na wala lang buntot. So just take only what resonates. Let's get that, no? Para rin sa ating small letters, okay? So, small letter na isa pa, no? Bukod sa G, kung G man yun or 9. Okay, so these are all the messages we got right here for you, babe. Again, you're Rihanna on me for the girls. Rihanna, do not for the girls. Parang love in light and love.